Hey you, do you ever find yourself looking around just like this? Walking around a bike storage but unable to find a spot for your own bike? Well, you can stop looking now, because the solution to all your problems is here. We're proud to introduce you our new service, Bike Restorage, the solution to all your problems. This is how it works. When you arrive at our bike storing facilities, you take out your app and look in which sections there are still places available. When you arrive at our bike storage units, you can see red and green lights. A red light indicates a spot that's already taken, and a green light indicates a spot that's free, a spot for you. Found a spot that's free, you simply just put in your bike and store it away. When putting in your bike, the pressure sensors of our system get activated and the data is stored. The app will ask you to put in the storage ID of the specific spot you just stored your bike in. As you can see here, the pressure sensor gets activated when the bicycle is put into the rack. When you've put in your storage ID, you're free to go and enjoy your day. While your bike is in our facilities, you can get a couple of different notifications. A theft notification when it's taken out, your bike almost being overdue, and your bike being overdue. When you come and recollect your bike, just open your app and look at the storage ID and find your bike. When you find your bike, you can just simply take it out of our racks. Taken out your bike, you just open the app, check out, and you're ready to go. At the moment, there are about 23 million bicycles in the Netherlands. With a survey, we did a market research about a potential market, which gave us the following outcomes. About 60% of the people in the Netherlands use their bikes daily. About 57.7% of people think bike parking places are too crowded. And about 63.3% violently parks their bikes when they can't find a free space quick enough, which might eventually destroy other bikes or the parking facilities. These numbers indicate bicycle users experience problems with crowded bicycle parking places almost daily. What's part of the problem are the forgotten bikes. These bikes are left in the parking spots and never picked up. Even municipalities try to monitor those forgotten bikes, but it's hard to monitor whether a bicycle is parked for too long or not. About 50% of all space is lost in bike parking locations due to those forgotten bikes. The interest in the system can be divided in two groups: the municipalities, which will buy the system, and the users of bicycles, which will mainly use the application. Market research was conducted for both groups, which leads to the following results. For municipalities, the main outcomes were that they acknowledged that there is a problem with the parking space and forgotten bikes. Manually monitoring the bikes is a time-consuming problem and not very precise. Most of the municipalities are actively seeking for a solution for this problem. Another interesting finding is that municipalities have a revenue model for the forgotten bikes. When bicycles are parked too long, they are removed and sold to, for instance, bicycle repairers. Thus, implementing our system will improve this model due to the better monitoring of forgotten bikes. The importance of bicycle parking is also indicated by the fact that the government is investing €80 million for increased bicycle parking spots before 2020. Market research about the users of the application was mainly about the interest in such an app. 66.7% of the surveyed people indicated that they are interested in an app which provides real-time information about bicycle parking. Only 25% of the 12.3% which told they were not interested indicated that they used their bike as a main mean of transport. This led to the conclusion there is a main interest in application as well as the system from both groups. The segmentation of the market is based on three different characteristics. First, population size, then population density and student population. To target the municipalities with the biggest change in problems, we chose the following segment. population size bigger than 100,000 people and population density larger than 2,000 people per square kilometer, or a student population larger than 10,000 students. Our product will be positioned as an additional feature to the nowadays parking systems. It will mainly be used by people who use their bike regularly in municipalities with bike parking challenges. The system will be sold to municipalities for €179.99 each. The installation is included. The software package which gathers and processes the data about the fee space is sold by a yearly subscription. This will cost €199 per month. The app will be free, but there will be in-app advertisements by companies that are interested in targeting bicycle users, which will also generate revenue. Stop looking for a place to park your bike. Bike Restorage, the solution to all your parking problems.